Welcome to our state-of-the-art PCB assembly facility. Here, precision meets speed with robotic component placement. This board features gold plating for optimal conductivity. Notice the precise alignment of the surface mounts. Every trace is checked for perfection. Solder paste is applied through a laser-cut stencil. Solder paste inspection started. Detecting 15 pads below tolerance. Checking pads R17 and R11. This is the pick-and-place machine. It takes components from the reels, checks them for precise alignment, and places them at high speed. The pick-and-place machine ensures high precision. Components are mounted at incredible speeds. This maximizes efficiency. Here we see a fully populated PCB before it enters the reflow oven. Notice the components are placed but not yet subtly fused. The Automated Optical Inspection, or AOI, ensures every component is perfectly placed, guaranteeing maximum quality and precision.
This automated X-ray inspection system scans BGA joints. It ensures all solder balls are perfectly aligned and connected.
Every board undergoes rigorous final testing before being carefully packaged for shipment. Our high-speed SMT lines ensure maximum efficiency. Precision placement and reflow soldering guarantee reliability. Automated optical